Pop. Pop. So I wanted to make this video because a lot of people been asking me how did I use this Logitech pop shifter with the Fannatec wheelbase before I got the Thrustmaster shifter. So here's what I did. We all know that this is impossible to plug in to your PC or any USB port because it's a different type of connection, right? It's obvious. Pop. So what I did was I went on Amazon and I said there has to be a way. I seen like videos here and there, but people weren't really explaining it to the best of my understanding. And we all know how that goes. But anyway, Pop, here's what I did and where I went to get it at an affordable price. Pop. Let's try that again. Pop. Right? So we're not gonna edit none of this. But anyway, I got that right there, and it shows up as a Leonardo standalone device. If you understand what I'm saying. So it says for Logitech G2920 gear shifter to USB cable adapter, right? Modification part accessories. Pop. So here we go again. Boop. This part, right? Because you know I'm a genius. Goes in the back of the shifter. You know, to the cable, not the shifter itself. Because you gotta be specific sometimes around here. Pop. Just like so. Pop. And then the USB part, which is a 2.0, the white, right? And that's all you need. But even though I had it connected to an 3.0 and 3.1 extenders to my PC, and it worked fine. Pop. So it doesn't matter. It's going to work whether you have the blue connection, a white connection, a black connection, because my streaming PC has black ports in the back. Those are like super older ones than blue. And it worked. Pop. It works in every color one. And so this should be no problem. I'm telling you. And I used it for this shifter on the Logitech G920, which is right here. Pop. You see it right there on the ground. Pop, pop. With the deep dish wheel from Amazon, which that wheel is great. I'm gonna do a full review on that wheel. That wheel's about $70, and then I added the pop quick release. But anyway, this piece right here, pop, worked miracles. I never missed a shift. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like how much I bought this for? I think it was $60-$70 on Amazon. I got to use it for probably a week or two or something like that. It felt like it. And then of course, I added different knobs. I modded it. Damn, I did a lot in a week. But I buy a lot of parts to feel great, right? And to stay entertained and make content. I even added this sword to it, Pop, which normally people add it to the handbrake, but it fit. Pop. I added it. It felt amazing, but it made it feel like lighter. So I modded it, and I bought those 3D printed pieces that people put in here for like $15. Don't ever buy that. It's crap. It does not work. They're lying to you. Every content creator that says buy this and it's that little flat, skinny modding part to go in here to make it sturdy, he is lying. Believe me, do not listen to them. They get paid by that guy to tell you that it's amazing because he has a little following. I have a following also. This is not my only channel. I'm the same guy from the hit TV show called On the Lockout on all major audio and streaming platforms. Respectfully and humbly, I'm just telling you so you can know that I don't need to tell you nothing to gain views or subs. I'm not into views or subs, although it's appreciated. So at any time you get any value, a laugh, or chuckle out of any one of my videos, consider liking and subscribing, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Links are in the description to these products, and the products are bought by me. 99.9% of my products is things I've used and I use to today. Everything. So listen, great product also. But this thing here is the main thing that we're talking about, which is the connector to convert your shifter into USB to use it with any wheelbase. And does it work? Yes. To be honest, I've lost more shifts with the Thrustmaster than with this Logitech, bro. And if I knew that the shifter from Thrustmaster was gonna feel the way it does, that's another lie. But we're gonna save that for another video, right? Because I don't want to have you here all day. But anyway, if you have this shifter already, right, and you get in a wheelbase, a D direct wheel drive or any wheelbase, and it's USB, just buy this cable. It's about 37 bucks, if that. I'll place the link in the description. This is not a sponsored video. All you gotta do is tap in, it'll take you right there. Although they are affiliate links, but it's not sponsored, and you don't pay me $1. It's no different. You're gonna pay the same thing that if you bought it regularly. You're just going to the right link. I did the hard work for you, and that's where I got it from, and that's the one that works. And then you could check out a video that I've made. I think I'm gonna place it here or in the cards. You probably right above here or at the end screen, where I show the calibration of the handbrake and this thing right here, how it shows up as a Leonardo device. If I find the video, I'll do that. If not, I'll make a full video on it tomorrow. My word is gold. But anyway, boom. This thing works magic with this. Believe me. So you don't need to go spend $200 or $300 on another major shifter if you need a better monitor. This shifter works miracles. In fact, I think it looks better than most of the other shifters. And I've tried a lot of shifters, and they feel almost no different than this when it comes to shifting. The only thing, this one is a little, hard plastic, and those have like a little layer of metal, and they feel a lot heavier sometimes. I don't know. I just like the way this looks. Am I the only one? Even when it comes to things like handbrakes. I know it has nothing to do with this, but it has something to do with it. Pay attention. Bing! The Amazon handbrake. I like it better than the Moza handbrake. I think it looks amazing compared to the Moza handbrake. But then again, they pay these people to tell you things. And I'm telling you the truth. You get it? Because I have no reason to lie. No one could pay me enough money to lie to hardworking, honest people that are just trying to have fun and enjoy themselves. Thank you for watching. Links in the description.